What's going on, my friends? Dear friend Jack here, and today I'm going to be talking about burnout, what I've been feeling, how I've been doing. If you care to watch, go ahead and let's get right into this. But yeah, I'm going to be talking about burnout. Some of these things may relate to you, and I'm also going to provide some tips for burnout that I have found along the way. So if you guys are ready for this, stay tuned and let's get right into the video. Alright, so first things first, the past couple days for me, I've been feeling extra burnt out. This doesn't happen very often, but in terms of making YouTube videos, I've been feeling burnt out. I've still been making my t-shirt designs, no problem, because I'm actually having a lot of fun in the niche I'm in. I found a winning niche, I'm flying with it, that's going really well. But in terms of YouTube, things are getting a bit, tiresome. So I decided to take a break yesterday when I usually would upload, every other day or every day. I took a 2-day break and I didn't upload a video, which felt really, really weird. Usually I'm uploading a video on this channel once. Next day I'm uploading a video on my other channel. Link down in the description if you want to check that out. It's about finances. But really, I want to talk about burning out and why I don't think it's that big of a deal to miss a day in the end. Obviously, the more videos I put out, the better my channel is probably going to do. Maybe. But here's the thing. If I put a video out when I'm feeling like absolute, not that great, really burnt out, really don't want to do it, the video is not going to perform well 9 times out of 10 or 99 times out of 100 because I'm not really putting my all into that video. It's not going to be something that's people are really going to want to watch, in my opinion. So yesterday I decided I'm not going to put out a video today because usually it's not forced to put out a video, but yesterday would have been very forced, right? Just because I have to put out a video, I'm going to do it. So it would have been very forced. And when I'm burnt out or something, especially for YouTube, putting out a video is just not that great of an idea for me. Because it's going to be poor quality. I've done it before, honestly. I put a video when I really, really, really didn't feel like it, and the video bombed, respectfully, because it wasn't a very good video, and I shouldn't expect people to watch videos that even myself am not feeling good about posting or not feeling good about making. But I'm actually here more or less to tell you guys about what you can do when you're feeling burnt out, and the biggest thing you can probably do is, make sure you're actually burnt out. So maybe not push yourself to do the thing you really, really don't want to do that you've been doing day after day or week after week, especially when you're on like a grind or a routine or a hustle of something. You want to try to take a break every once in a while. Maybe it takes a day or 2 days for me. Maybe it takes a week for you. As long as you get back on that train of where you want to go, it's okay to take a break. But take those breaks with moderation because all of the good things are going to happen when you're doing the work. Remember that. So don't get caught up on taking a week break every other week. You want to do most of the time, 5 days of hustle or 6 days of hustle, 1-2 days off. You want to keep it with that ratio of 5 to 2 or 6 to 1 or 7. Maybe you do 7 days a week that you're doing your thing. If it's print on demand, if it doesn't take that long, if it takes like 5 or 30 minutes to an hour to do your print on demand t-shirts every day, I don't think you have to skip out for a week to recover from that burnout. But maybe you're just getting into the flow of print on demand and it's very overwhelming, so maybe you do need to do that. I don't know. You have to kind of figure it out for your own situation. Sometimes people are going to need breaks longer than other people. It really depends on a lot of different things. But try taking a break, and don't think about what you have to do or what you're missing. Just take a break, enjoy your time, enjoy the moment. If you can, and that's going to allow you to recharge yourself. And honestly, half the time when I'm taking a break, I'll get an idea or I'll think of something. It's like, damn, I want to do that. I want to make that YouTube video. I want to make that t-shirt design. And I just hop on off my break and start doing it because it's coming from an internal inspiration rather than a must-have to do something, which is always going to be way more of a drive to actually get something done when you want to do it than if it's just a little bit more drudgery and not so, inspiring. So other than taking a break to get rid of burnout, because sometimes taking a break just leads to another break and another break, and you can't get off this break cycle. Sometimes you might have to readjust what you're doing. That just may be the case. I don't know. Things happen, and you do make decisions sometimes that aren't the right ones, but it's better to make a wrong decision than to make no decision at all. So don't beat yourself down for making the wrong decision, but you might have to make a different decision. You might have to change off that one side of the fence and go to the other for your, whatever your personal situation is that you want to do. Maybe you're doing YouTube videos every day and you may have to make a decision. Maybe I should do them every other day, right? Maybe I should do one a week, one high quality video a week. Maybe I should switch up my print and man t-shirt designs to, instead of 5 a week or 5 a day, I'm just going to do 1 a day. Maybe you have to cut back, maybe you have to scale back, maybe you don't need a break, maybe you need to scale back a bit and then scale back up if that is suitable for you. Or maybe these options aren't the greatest altogether and you should look at different business models or something else that you like doing actually without the money involved. Because I can tell you right now, if you do not like it whatsoever, what you're doing, it is probably not going to work out. At least in terms of online businesses. If you hate making t-shirt designs, every bit of it, if you hate, making YouTube videos, I would not do it. I don't think it's worth it if it's something you hate, especially for a side hustle. Find a side hustle or something you like doing with your free time that makes you money that you actually enjoy, right? Maybe at first it won't make you money. Maybe you have to become more skillful in that area and you have to build up that, inventory of skills or inventory of t-shirt designs or something like inventory of YouTube videos to actually build up that skill to make better content, make better things for people that people actually want to buy. Maybe you need to build that up first, right? So a lot of the times building those skills up takes from passion. You can take those skills from your passion, find something you like doing or you actually enjoy doing, and just start working on it. It might not make you money right away, but these kind of things on the internet can blossom into huge tycoons of online businesses just because how powerful the internet is. So do something you actually enjoy. Find something you actually enjoy, whether it be, making YouTube videos, writing a blog post, whether it be, marketing a product you like to other people. It's not even your product, affiliate marketing, whatever it is. Find something you actually enjoy doing and you believe in and try to stick with that if you can. That is the most plain advice I could give. Find something you somewhat enjoy. Find something that you find a little bit of, that I'm actually looking forward to doing that. And that's what's going to work. You're going to have less burnouts. You're going to have more fun doing it. And that's the most important thing when you're doing a side hustle, is to actually find some joy inside of making money on this side. And yeah, I've been burnt out. You've probably been burnt out. Everyone gets burnt out. So don't worry too much about it. It's going to happen. And anyone who says they never get burnt out, either they love what they're doing, so it's not work to them whatsoever, or they're lying. So there's 2 different ways to do it. Everyone's human. We're all the same. Me and you, we're all human. Remember that. Freaking Elon Musk over there, he's a human. Remember that. All these people are humans, okay? They all have different advice. They all have different viewpoints, but they're all human, and they all have the same physical limits, for the most part, as you and I. So with that being said, keep striving and stay blessed. I'll see you guys in the next freaking video. Peace out.